Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you what to do if your TikTok green screen it's not working or it's not showing. So for example, if I go to my TikTok app and if I want to duet, and if I click to the share button and if I click on duet, and then if I click to layout, as you can see I do not have right here the green screen, so it should have been 4 options, so I don't have that. You can go ahead and screenshot this. After that you will have to go back, and then you have to go to your Play Store and make sure that your TikTok app is fully updated. So as you can see, my TikTok app is updated. After that, you have to go on your settings, then scroll down to apps, and then here you have to search for TikTok. And then scroll down and click on storage. So here you have to clear the data and the cache. And remember that if you do this, your drafts will be deleted. So make sure that you will save those. So after that, you can also reinstall your app and restart your phone. And then if you still don't have your green screen, you will have to go to your settings. So click on those 3 lines in the right corner from the top of the page, and then scroll down and go to report a problem. After that, you have to click on videos and sounds, and then you have to click on beauty, filters, effects, and templates. Then click on I want new filters, effects, and then you have to click no, and then click on need more help. And here you have to write hello TikTok team. I do not have green screen option. Please solve this problem for me. So you have to write this, and then at the end, thank you. In here at attachments, you can attach that screenshot that you took earlier. So you can click on that, click allow, and then click OK. And then you have to click report. So within 2 days, you will receive your green screen. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button and you can also comment down below your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.